Hi, grade 10. So for criteria A2, you are to identify and prioritize primary and secondary research. So there are many ways to do this. One way is to set up a table like this, where you say the type of research is, you say the research source, the purpose or why, and a priority. What you should do here, you should do two things that I didn't do. You should also have a research quiz. So, for example, my research question is, my project is how plastic affects gorillas in the jungle. Okay. My real question is, where does this plastic come from? It's a very simple research question, but it's an example I would do. Now, everything I put down in the research plan, I should be focused on this question. So, for example, primary, interview a wild conservation expert or zookeeper who works with gorillas. Yeah, I can learn how plastic affect them, but I'm not sure that this is a priority. Let's reprioritize this. But an interview is going to be primary research. Record an original video footage of waste in a zoo. And now, because I want to show real examples. Now, if my focus is where does plastic come from, this is going to be a low priority. So I'm just going to write conduct a survey of students or community members about how they use and dispose of plastic in order to understand how behavior contributes to the problem. Well, that's still not really answering my question, so I'm going to put low. Observe and document recycling habits, low. Read articles, low. Research how plastic enters gorilla habitats. I would say this is high, because that is exactly what my research question is. In studies and so on. So let's imagine I went through all these, but now I need to recategorize. So I'm going to move that high stuff, okay, and put them those low, and just go through each one and put them in order. If you have any questions, please let me know.